Hey guys, I'm with Izi here at Izi Creation here in New York City's Diamond District. And Izi here specializes in wholesale fashion jewelry. Right now we're just photographing a beautiful photo of one of his necklaces. As you can see, it's very professional, it's very easy to use. To set this up, all we did, we've simply placed the necklace onto the necklace stand.
And done.
So, just like that. So, Izzy,
Beautiful pictures.
what do you like about the GemLightbox and how has the GemLightbox helped you take better photos and videos?
It's actually idiot proof. We can do it very easily with no problem. And it comes out beautiful for our website.